Red X was a mistake. A mistake I won't ever make again. I'm supposed to be one of the good guys, to always do the right thing. The line is supposed to be clear. But for me, back then, it wasn't. A madman was threatening the city, and I had to stop him. So I became Red X. A ruthless thief who could get closer to the madman than Robin ever could. But I didn't tell my teammates, and my plan didn't work. I almost lost my life. And my friends. It was the closest I've ever come to crossing the line. And I thought it was in the past. But now, someone else has crossed that line. And it's my job to stop him.
But who is he? I mean, if Robin's the X, Red X, who's the new guy?
Okay, if he's not Robin's evil twin, then he's obviously a bionic monkey infused with Robin's DNA.
Face it, Red X could be anyone. Anyone smart enough to find the suit and dumb enough to take it for a joyride.